I swear, it's the third time my phone fell. Wait, isn't third time the charm? Hello, art lovers. What's up? Ever try drawing eyes and end with the same? Then don't worry. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to draw eyes in different angles. So without wasting time, let's get started. Don't run straight for the outline. First, we'll make some basic shapes, then we'll start adding the details. First, make a circle for the eyeball, then draw the pupil where you want it to look. The eyelid will go just above the pupil. That's for straight angle. We'll get to other angles later. Darken the upper eyelid. It will make it look more attractive. You can darken the lower eyelid too if you want, but it's just not my art style. Add a crease to show the curve. It's for the eyeball we made, remember? And yep, add another crease in the bottom too. I'm done outlining the eyebrow. Now I'll start drawing the eyelashes. As her eye is looking straight ahead, the eyelashes will spread in all directions. The upper eyelids might look shorter, but that's because of perspective. If you want me to make a separate video on perspective, then tell me in the comments. Eyelashes in the right direction. Trust me, it matters a lot. Still doesn't look right. Now we'll shade in the eyebrow. Again, earlier like in the eyelashes, keep in mind the directions in which you're shading. After I'm done shading, I'll fill in the pupil. Make the inner circle darker than the outer circle. You can also make a gradient, like darker on the top and lighter in the bottom. Leave a little space for the highlight. It'll make your eye sparkle. Then again shade in the eyelid and her invisible bridge of nose. Draw the pinkish corner of the eye and we're done. I guess you'll figure out the rest on your own, right? Now let's give it a finishing touch. Subscribe, like, share, and comment anything. I don't care. Bye.